Paths are well trodden, faces are well worn, the local tongue is well common. Every penny up the wall, every ball kicked, every knee grazed, these streets remember it all. Place for every man to eat, where the menu's on the wall and the cups reach the table with the bag still in the tea. Some are passing through, others are pieces of the furniture. Red tops on the papers, red bottles for the sauce. Where everyone's a love, a darling or a petal. There's something quite quintessentially British about it all. Place full of the usuals, where they call you by your name and ask you if you want your usual, to which you usually not. Full English, eggs fried, beans and black pudding. 2 slices of white toast to clean up the slop. A plate greater than the sum of its parts, a place greater than the sum of its parts. Full English, full bellies, full hearts. Mornings after the night before, fuel for the day before it starts. Buster and Punch. STAUB.